Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a flash transition in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Make sure that you have both of your clips on the timeline. Then navigate to the effects, and from video transition we are going down to look for fusion transition. From here we are going to choose the brightness flash. Just drag it and drop between our two clips. Let's clean this one effect so we have more workspace. And now select the transition to adjust the length and the brightness. So over here in the inspector you can choose the duration, and on the slider you can adjust the brightness. So let's go here in between both of the clips and let's check it. I think the default is fine, so let's review it now. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.